Hi there, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss few points of tf-idf vectorizer. It is a powerful NLP algorithm used to find weights of the words. So we will be discussing tf and idf and few elements that affect these terms. Okay, so we have discussed the formula of how these are calculated in the previous videos. You should watch these if you are not familiar with the concept. Okay, so now let's start with the TF, term frequency. We will go with the first sentence for now. This sentence, the food was amazing. And particularly, we will go with the word food. We have to find the term frequency of word food just for this case. Okay, great. So how many times the word appear in the document? It appear one time. And how many there are total words in this document? There are the food was amazing. So there are total 4 words. Okay, that's great. We have the food one time and total number of document as 4. Now, term frequency, if the word appear, it is appearing one time, food appear one time. If it appears more times, like food is appearing 2 time or 3 time, or somebody have a opinion that the food was amazing and the food was good, so food appears here 2 time. So food will have more term frequency scored in that case. We can calculate and it will give a greater number in that case. This was about the that particular term that we are trying to calculate the term frequency score of. And about the total words, there are currently total 4 words in our document. If we will increase the total word, the importance of food will decrease. As the words will increase, so importance will, like, it will spread in the words, and the food individually will get a relatively lesser score of TF only. We are currently discussing about TF only. So we have 2 points here. Term frequency increase if we increase the number of words that we are trying to calculate term frequency of, and it will decrease if the total number of words in the document increase. I hope it goes clear to you. Now let's discuss how IDF is affected by such factors. What is tf-idf? Tf-idf is like total number of documents, which is 4, divided by number of document containing the particular word. Let's say food. So how many sentences contain the word food? There are 3 sentences here. So 4 divided by 3, and as we know, we take the log in the formula. Now, if you analyze these values, 4 divided by 3, it will remain same in every case for the word food. If you are trying to calculate inverse document frequency of this food, you will have these values. If you are trying to calculate inverse document frequency of this food, you will have the same values, because still there are total 4 documents and still food appear in 3 sentences. And if again you are trying to calculate inverse document frequency of this word, you will have the same terms. So inverse document frequency of a word remains same in all the cases, and it makes sense that inverse document frequency, it is basically the importance of word in with respect to its surrounding. So as the surrounding is not changing, so word will have same importance in all the places. So that's why here inverse document frequency is not affected by number of terms or anything else. All foods will have same IDF. All was, here the word was, these will have same IDF score as well. All the, these will have same IDF score as well, which is 0, which we calculated in the previous video. So I hope this goes clear. If it doesn't go, No worries, because this was something extra. In next video, we will be implementing tf-idf in the real programming Python. So that will be the real thing for you. But these concepts, these are also important. Good luck.